got money.
I thought you had me some money.
No, you make too much money already.
Yeah.
What do you work, 2 hours a day?
I worked hard today on
I know. I did the same thing with my foreman. I always said I work hard. They caught me leaving early to go to cafeteria, and I had my tools in my pocket. They said, "Where are you going?" I got a job.
You
At
go
7:30, in the cafeteria. This is for her.
Let me see where she's at. I don't know where she's at.
Well, it's past her lunchtime. Dock her pay. Fire her.
Don't start. We can't get no good help.
I know you can't. You're in Pickens County.
Did you get one unopened?
Yeah, I've got a couple of them for you.
Oh, okay.
Take your pick. You can take a pretty red one or a pretty green one.
I'm trying to think which one they say does not have to have a password thingy.
Neither one of them's got passwords.
Oh, okay. Okay. Let me
Usually the password ones are the personal ones.
okay. There's some that weren't unopened and they asked for a password, so I guess I'll just take one.
Well, the password is probably on the back.
Okay. They didn't want one.
There
with
she
the
is.
password. Do you know which one is the ones that?
She picked the red one for you. Did you want the green one?
No, I wanted the blue one.
I got to go back. I got to go back.
Red looks good to me.
Okay. And if anybody asks you, you know the story of Jericho? When the
Jericho.
spies were being let down, the rope was being let down to the spies by the harlot to pull them up.
Okay.
The rope was red.
Red.
A
Okay.
lot of these Baptist churches are preaching that the rope was purple. Purple ain't even in the Bible.
But it was red, right?
It was red. Because, you know that thread that was on Esau's ankle when he was born?
Mm-hmm.
Red. Edom means red. Don't we call communists reds?
We do.
I think this is all fantastic.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to come back?
Yes. We got your phone number. We'll call you.
Okay. Well, you can call me anyway.
Okay.
Why does she keep looking at me?
I don't know.
There's kind of a glare over your face. I couldn't
Yeah.
see you.
Maybe you're not supposed to see me. This is like witness protection. Oh. All right. I'll see you when I see you. Okay. I'm coming. I'm coming.
I'm not in a hurry.
I'm not either. I don't give a shit. I'm tired of messing with these stupid assholes. I believe the engine's running. He's got rock and roll playing on in there. You hear it? He's got his laptop open, but it's on screensaver. I'm gonna leave this running just in case. I can't edit anything. I should probably shorten the duration of these clips. These body-worn cameras record in clips. It works pretty good for editing.